In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your store logo on Shopify. If you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to refresh your online store's look, updating your logo can be a great way to ensure your brand is both modern and appealing. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to update your store logo with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify's dashboard. So, open your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Shopify, ensuring you're logged in. If you're not yet signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This will grant you access to your store's main interface, where you'll control all the back-end workings of your site. Once you're on Shopify's main dashboard, look for the Online Store section on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This area functions as the main hub for design and customization, essentially the heart of your storefront's visual management. Next, within the Online Store section, you will want to look for the Themes option. This is where you're going to customize the look and feel of your Shopify store. Once you see Themes, beneath it you'll notice the Customize button. By clicking here, you're opening up the page where the magic happens. This is the visual customizer for your site, providing a real-time view of changes you make along the way. As the page loads, you'll see your store's homepage layout. You should direct your attention to the header of the page, typically located near the top where your current logo, navigation links, and possibly a search bar reside. Click on Header to dive into further customization options. The header is like your store's business card. It's the first thing visitors see, making this step crucial for branding. Once inside the header customization, on the right panel, you'll need to find and click Theme Settings. This area allows you to tweak various larger elements of your site, like font settings and colors, but most importantly for us, the logo. Enter the logo settings, where you'll have the option to upload a new image file. Make sure your logo has a transparent background and is scaled appropriately for web use, looking exactly how you want it on your store's front end. Upload your chosen logo file from your computer. If you don't have a new file ready, no worries, you can download your logo from brand management software or design sites if needed. Once uploaded, ensure it appears as desired, sitting perfectly within the constraints of your store's header. And that's it! You've successfully updated your Shopify store logo. Remember to save all your changes before exiting, and consider checking your site on multiple devices to ensure it looks equally fantastic everywhere. This straightforward process ensures your branding stays fresh and visually appealing to all visitors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks.